Alright, so before you watch this video, this thing actually comes with instructions. Didn't read them, didn't even look at them until I was throwing away papers. So, you know, read them if you want to. But if you like me and you like, forget these instructions, let me just get it in there. Watch the video. Alright, what up? So, I'm back. Got the new part in, or I got both of them. This the little knob part that's actually going to grip onto the part in the car, it's not lined up right. So what you got to do is plug this up, and then you play with the buttons. I'm looking this way, but you play with the buttons on the actual AC thing to turn it to where this matches up with how the original one was. So I don't have the original right now, but I took a picture before I got rid of it, so it's in here somewhere. So, I don't know if, well, let me get in here. Hopefully you can see this pretty good, but I got to get this one, instead of being straight up and down, to be at this angle like that. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this up and play with all of this until I get it to line up how it should be in the picture. Alright, so, hopefully you can see this. So, let me find my keys. Alright, there we go. So, we got this turning. I don't know how long this is supposed to turn. Yeah, you probably should have stopped turning by now, though. Alright, so we're just gonna let this roll. Alright, there we go. Alright, so, is this right? Where is, alright. Are we on the right thing? No. So, let's keep turning this thing, I guess. So, I need it to be kind of down and to the right a little bit. What I might do is just unplug this while it's spinning. Just get it to where I need it to be and just unplug it. So, that looks about right. Yeah, it's pretty close. So, I got that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on that little knob in there, which I hope you can see. But yeah, go ahead and try to get that to line up, and then if it lines up, screw everything in and then plug it up. So that actually worked out perfect. So it's lined up just right, so I can go ahead and get these screws in here and yeah, use this and put everything back together. Alright, so Dorman 604 108. All of these are the same actuator, so this fit Buicks, Cadillacs, Chevys, Pontiacs, all of that. So it's all the same deal. Just gonna go ahead and write the date on this thing, so if it ever goes out again, I at least know when I swapped it out. So it's on the side facing in, so it's not like anything's gonna rub it so I won't rub it putting it in, so it's gonna last. But yeah, and time to match this up with the other one, the far right side one, which is this it? Yeah, this is the original one for this side. This almost matches up now, but so instead of being straight up and down, it'll be kind of at this little angle right here. So same deal with the other, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up, and once it starts twisting, let it twist until it gets where I need it, and unplug it, and I should be good. Alright, so it's not the prettiest job, not the most fun way to start your Sunday, but both actuators are in, screwed in, plugged in, key is on, no popping, no clicking, no none of that. So my heat works on both sides now, because before it was just heat on that side, no heat on this side. So I'm good on that. Man, this car is dusty, but yeah, everything is good, back together. So now I can put this back up and get rid of all of this. Got a bunch of LEDs that I never used, so yeah, get rid of all of this stuff, and yep, we back to normal. So that's it for this. If you missed part one, watch part one. If you want to watch one video with all of it in one video, it's like a 10-12 minute video, something like that, check that out. But yeah, and if you like these doors, I got a video on that too. But anyway, that's it for this. So on to the next project.